Just wait a second, guys. Uh, I'll try to queue up a song and we'll be back in a sec. I don't know, sometimes this AI music thing doesn't just cooperate. Anyways, seems like we are live on my channel. Yes, absolutely. This thumbnail is not a clickbait, guys. I will show you how I have built 10 million emails in just 1 year. Uh, I'm, uh, I'm using, anyways, let's just get rid of the song thing. Seems like doesn't cooperate anyhow. So hopefully you guys can see my screen on YouTube, and hopefully you can hear my audio and as well as see my camera. Now and then I do need to switch my camera off to just kind of gain some bandwidth, guys. That's all. I'm not camera shy, as you can see. I am on cam, but does have a little bit slow lag in here, guys. Camera does, unfortunately. Let me just go back on OBS. On OBS I'm right, but on YouTube is a little bit lag. Let me just refresh YouTube UI. Hopefully now you can. Yes, quite a few. To be honest, I don't know why this has a delay, guys. There's absolutely zero delay set on anything, but somehow it was always kind of a few seconds delay. I do apologize. If you want to know anything, everything is in the description, guys. I just want to do this short stream and show you how you can do the same. So here we go. As usual, guys, if you just kind of come close to my channel in here, I thank you. And it's okay if you really don't know me, that's fine, guys. Absolutely okay. Let me just switch this camera off, guys, for a second, because causing me some issues. I'm just going to remove it, but you guys sees my image, right? So let's just remove the cam from OBS, and hopefully will stabilize a little bit, because I'm not using direct OBS virtual cam. As you can see, I switched the cam off, but it's quite few second delay. I'm just checking on YouTube. Let's just say hi. Say hello. Yeah, you see it's quite a bit, maybe 8-10 seconds delay, guys. But anyway, we are not kind of right now. I'm not having anybody on kind of as a guest or anything, so you should be able to see what I'm doing. So here we go, guys. Welcome to the stream, and my name is Evangelos Taxiarchis. If you really don't know me, it's okay, guys. I don't expect you to know me. And here is my LinkedIn. You can hit me up there, connect with me over there, and let's have a discussion, have a conversation. And of course, in the video description, I also given you a free access to our live platform. Please go ahead and utilize that for your business, and absolutely our gift to you just by discovering us and watching us. And we want to enrich your life, and we want to help you to communicate, and we want to help you to really gain your freedom of communication on the internet. And we do that by basically two important pillars of communication. One is live, and the other ones is, I just showed you, with emails. So let's get back into it. Before just we kind of get there and show you stuff around, let's have a look what it is, how we done this, how I was able to do, and how many hundreds even right now, many thousands of people utilizing our platform, our services, to do similar or even bigger. So we have quite few people have a lot more bigger list than what I'm going to show you, and scalability is absolutely, it's been amazing, and experience wise been absolutely insanely good, guys. I'm just not saying this just because I'm the creator of the tool. You can also check out I can show you guys just a second. So as you can see, everything's live. I'm just going to go ahead to Trustpilot here. As you can see, so you can go to Trustpilot, put in nolimitemails.com, and you will see this page, guys. You see we have so far about 10 reviews, and this is our genuine users reviews and what every user said. So go ahead and check that out, and everyone in here is a real human being, and you can also find our conversation with most of the people who's given us a review on our daily lives, and as well as two of channels that we have for No Limit Emails. So channel one is No Limit Emails YouTube channel. You can just put No Limit Emails in YouTube, you can find that. Literally every day I'm doing live streams in there, and also you can check out a 30-day email challenge. So let me just kind of go back on another tab to show you guys. So let's just go to YouTube here, and this is our YouTube channel for challenges. So you guys, before I get into it, I want to show you all this so I'm not somebody just talking about stuff. I'm actually showing you what we are doing, what we are helping people to do, and you can do the same and more. So you can see in here 0 to million challenge. By the way, doesn't say many videos, but they are, guys. If you kind of looked in here, that is 260 live videos, and all you have to do is just go to the live tab, and you can find all the content that I have published in here, and they are all live sessions, and they are more than kind of 10 minutes long. As you can see, some of them hours, some of them less, some of them more, and well as we have Email Masters Members Challenge, and you can see the names in here, and well as kind of the reviews I just showed you. So you can see I'm just not talking to you with hypothetical or theoretical stuff, guys. This is hand-on. We build, we do, and we send emails, and you can check basically this channel out here, and basically just keep scrolling and go to the day one of the first challenge round, and so on and so forth. Just kind of educate yourself a little bit about our background, what's really all about, what we are doing in here. And the next channel I want to show you is, if you go if we just look YouTube again, and this is our main channel. On this channel I was live early on last night, and if you want to check that out, you can also check that out, and there are 222 live streams going on, and the latest live stream is this one. As you can see, I was live in there 3 days ago, 9 hours ago, and so on and so forth. So every day I'm live on this channel, and all we are sharing in here is free education to show you there's another ways that you can build, basically build and work with emails, guys, in a scale that really is not available anywhere else in the world but in here. So and also, as you can see, amount of live streams that we done in here, guys, is pretty amazing content in here, and everything's real, nothing made by AI, guys. As you can see, they are all live stream, and also join us in some of the conversation. You can see some of our members that we have a conversation with. You can see the details and data and everything else. So just go ahead, browse these two channels, guys. Once more, if you're in YouTube, just basically let me just go to the YouTube tab so I can show you how you can find us if you do not have a total URL, but I will add this URL in the description for you guys. So all you have to do is basically punch into the search no limit emails or something like this, guys, and you will find us. You see, this is the channel here. We have 156 subscribers. I appreciate you if you like the content and subscribe to us, so you can get better conversation for yourself, better information, and you can see the other channel as well. And the other channel, like I showed you, you can put in Google search, guys. Just do 30-day email challenge, something like this, and you should find our sister channel, as we utilize this channel when we have challenges running, especially when the people taking the challenge on and agree to kind of for us to stream and all that. You can find that out in here. So you can see it's streamed about a year ago, guys, but that is constantly, basically, we're doing challenges on the side. Currently there is around 7 running, and in private they ask us, we asked them if we can record or not. Basically people said no, and we agreed. So go ahead and you can find all the details in here on this channel, and as well as the other one. So you can see, like, I'm not just talking empty head amount of content that I already did about really no limit emails and email related is absolutely all free, and there's nothing behind the paywall, well as excellent free live streaming tool that you can replace your Zoom with. So that being said, and once more, welcome to the stream. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe if you like the content, if you like what I'm doing, and I appreciate you subscribing, and also hit that bell button so you can get a notification when I'm live, so you can be there. As always, we have rooms directly after streams, guys. We hang out on live rooms, and if you want to directly chat to me, once more, is all free, guys. You can jump on one of the conversation rooms, and we can have a chat. So you can see that and what people says about service, what people says about myself, and as well as you can check our track record on the internet. All you have to do is take our URL and stick it into the Wayback Machine, guys. In the last literally last 5.5 years we've been doing this, we have not increased our prices when it comes to the email and email sending. So let's go ahead and look at it, and after that, and I will show you where you get it, how you get it, how much does it cost, and what you need to have in order for you to join us. So as you can see, I logged on to my domain. This domain is my domain. It's nothing to do with no limit emails at all, but backend is all no limit emails. Basically services allows me to do this emailing. So to just kind of clear things up, for email design and email kind of putting together your list creation and all that, we use open source tools, and they are free to everybody, and you can use it if you want, if you have the technical ability to set them up for yourself. We use Moetic version 4. We clean this up for our own needs, and of course, if you know how to do this kind of thing on self-host, guys, you still need to have an SMTP, and SMTPs are pretty expensive. With the system that we have in here, you have everything included. You don't need a third party anything in order for you to log in, upload your list, or capture leads and start sending emails. So I'm just going to show you in here. You can see from March last year, March 2024, I wiped the server out. My target was in 12 months to send 10 million emails, guys. Sorry, I did failed. Instead of 10 months, I did it 11 months. I was a little bit behind scene. So you can see the data in here, daily, monthly kind of email sent. You can see the numbers in here, as you can see. So basically, what you see in my screen, we started March to do the running the challenges in here. As you can see, I started with 50k, and then so on so forth. we reach out to the 1,600,000 as you can see in here, and then following month same, and then challenges are finished, guys, and I dropped my numbers slowly to kind of just like basically no needed kind of push all the time, as you can see again, just like basically like dropping and then increasing, dropping and increasing, and so on and so forth. As you can see, the beginning of the year and then the end of the year, guys. So the reason that I'm doing this and showing you this, so you see it like what we did in the beginning year, you can also do the end of the year, and still same IP, same domain, and same similar level of numbers that we send. So if you can see in here, again, 1.5 million emails sent in single month, and in here you can see also 1.2 million emails sent in a single month. And currently, as you can see, I'm in June, and so far I'm in 87k, which is, guys, a little bit summer, most people are on holidays and stuff, so I'm slowing down a little bit myself, but as you can see, it's active, and you can see every single month amount of emails basically that I have sent. By the way, this are just kind of, obviously right now it's just kind of starting, and you can see it all in here. So 10 million emails. This is absolutely true. I'm gonna show you here. Obviously you can see it like if you're adding all these numbers together, guys, as well, above 10 million. And I want to show you, just to kind of clarify this to YouTube and anything else, this is educational, and this data is public data. So I'm just going to go to contact, quickly show you the actual numbers, guys, and you can also see a little bit of kind of details in here. So you can see in here, guys, is 10,333,000 emails that has been processed and sent with this specific domain since March 2024 till now. And also you can see different emails and everything else in here. And also I'm going to show you my latest emails, what I sent. So you can see different numbers, amount that I have sent. By the way, you can see they are huge numbers, guys. In some cases, like for example this campaign's 200k, 160k at one go, so on and so forth. Like you can see literally just this batch in here. If you look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 day, 10 day, 11 day in a row, every email is 100,000 emails. So within basically a few days I have sent million and plus email, as you can see in here, guys. So this one is like 200k, 60k, 140k, as you can see, just between 4 or 5 emails that I have sent. Many of you out there can't really do this in a lifetime, guys, and this is how different, this is how crazy this system is when you try to scale up. If you look at in here, I have sent up to the 350k, guys, at one go. It's just really up to the 1 million. I have sent a million with it too. I have sent 2 million email at one go too. But to just kind of show you how it works, how delivery does deliver, and you can see this is basically yesterday's email I have sent, the time that I sent, and I did an A/B test with this 2 emails here. You can see, but let's just look the first one here as an A/B test, guys. So you can see this 3 emails are like ABC test, kind of, you know, like ABCDF test. You can do many tests if you like to. So let's go ahead and see what's actually done so far. So as you can see, I'm sending email and amount of clicks that's generated for the sales page, and amount of people that I have sent to this No Limit Emails YouTube channel, as you can see in here. So from 1 email so far, this is still active, by the way, I'll get more. So from 1 email I have a unique, basically 724 unique clicks. But remember, this is absolutely total random outreach. There's not customization or anything else, or targeted or anything else. It's just random upload and random send. As you can see, the list numbers that I have sent in here is about around 90K on the specific campaign in here. So let's go back on the other ones. So if you look the second one in here, by the way, I will show you the content for this, guys, and that is just kind of so if we look the content in here, they are basically very similar. And let this load. Let me just close some of this other stuff, especially LinkedIn. Takes my bandwidth. So as you can see, this another one, again, nearly 200 unique clicks, guys. As you can see, I'm sending more people to YouTube that actually YouTube give me as a views, guys. So you can see it in here. And same time when I'm testing sending people to LinkedIn is kind of similar thing. So I'm sending more people to the social media than social media actually show my post or anything like that. And this is how you can really devote to social media and have a direct connection to the real world of people to generate the real traffic for yourself. So this is the email content that I sent on that A/B test emails, guys. Every email has obviously unsubscribe, and this is the content of that email. And if you want watch yesterday's stream I did on No Limit Emails channel, you can see how I create those emails, how I basically put together. And if we go back on and this one, that's which is still kind of going on, and let's have a look at that one. And I will also show you the content of this as well. So this is how I was able to build email list up to the 10 million people, guys. And as all you have to do is get decent amount of data and upload. So you can see this is again is email content, guys. This is the live stream that I did yesterday. You can watch that and learn how I built those emails. And here in this case we have a email video embed. So if I play that video will play in here, obviously. As you can see that stream, I'm just going to mute my sounds here. So the video directly plays in your email instead of redirecting them to YouTube. So you can see the content in here, and you can see the YouTube link in here. This is where people clicked it and went to the YouTube, guys. So this is definitely different kind of system because we built this to based on the problems that we face relating to the email and communication and email scalability, and as well as reducing the cost of the emails and well as reducing basically issues when it comes to the inbox replacement. So you can see the emails are delivered with generating decent amount of traffic from them. So how do we really build these lists? How did I really got here, guys? How was able to kind of build up to the 10 million emails, guys? As you all know, there is hundreds of thousands of places on the internet that you can get yourself a data. You can buy lists, you can scrape lists. Guys, it's not really illegal to send in a cold email, but it is illegal if you abuse them and spam them day in, day out. So that's where you got to kind of separate yourself from spammers to be legitimate business, represent yourself, introduce yourself to the world. You just seen the emails that I send, the content that I send is represent legitimately what I am doing, guys. And also you see literally there is no bounces, there is no unsubscribes, but we get lots of reads and lots of traction, guys. And of course now and then you're gonna get some people who will unsubscribe, guys. This is kind of real thing, and it's fine. So long as when you send an email to 100,000, 95,000 doesn't unsubscribe with that email, guys, guess what? You're doing something good. It's working fine. But if let's say 95,000 of them unsubscribe with one email you send, that's mean really the people find out that is not legitimate and they unsubscribe. So how did we kind of do this? First of all, you have to have a data, but you can, like with the system, you can do it two ways. You can have a data or you can capture data. So it gives you both basically world, and the way that you can upload details in here, simply you just go and segment. These are the kind of list creation, and I can show you the amount of list that I upload, and you can see my dates and times and amount of people list that I uploaded kind of onto the system. So you can see every one of those emails are verified and clear for me to send an email. What system does when we upload leads, I will show you just a second how we do this. When we upload leads, system verifies and does that and everything kind of and behind the scenes, so you don't waste time. So let's go and make a new list and upload some leads. Day 562 for me. 62. By the way, forgive me, English is not my first language, guys. If I can do this, you can do too. Pretty simple. Most of you well overqualified. By the way, you don't need to do anything else, just name in here and save and close. No need kind of do anything else. As you can see now, we have a list. There is no contacts. Let's go and import some contacts. By the way, on the description I said to you, I can give you some leads, guys. Absolutely, I can give you some leads. Just let me know if you need any leads. If you have system to utilize them, I can give you many as you like. Absolutely, I don't want any money off you. Just give it to you. So far, I have already given distributed well over 300 million emails to just giving to people to utilize. Again, in here, as you can see, no setting. You don't need to mess things up. You just simply select, choose a file, and go ahead and basically upload your CSV files in here. I'm just going to fetch a file. Just give me a second, guys, because I'm streaming as my end is a little bit laggy network wise, especially when I'm using OBS. Things get a little bit crazy, guys. So let's just get this. As you can see, I select the CSV file. Again, the limit is basically site. The system will process this 100 email at one go. Everything just stay as it is. We just simply go hit upload. And I'm just going to select my name and the list that we created, just day 562. I'm just going to select that. On this specific CSV, I just have an email details. There is no name or anything else, but if you have name and anything else on your CSV file, you just need to match these fields here. And now we have two options. In a browser, it's a little bit slow, then you can see some visuals, but sometimes if it's in a browser, your internet drops and things like that, guys, it just stops the upload. That's why I always recommend, especially if you're using no limit email system and a large size kind of list like this, and just import in the background. So now you can see I have basically 8 pages. Each page has 100 lists, and this amount that I've been uploading, guys, regularly in here. You can see it. And one thing I want you to take a note, look the kind of imports, they all kind of conclude, and you see the time wise, guys. 5 minutes to 10 minutes you can upload 60k, and the system automatically will verify. In this case, as you can see on this batch, I have 40k is uploading, and you can see 5 minutes for 60k upload, 6 minutes for 60k. Obviously, sometimes when I'm uploading, I'm doing other things in my laptop. Obviously, kind of takes a power away, RAM away, and memory away from the task you're doing on the browser. So even if you have 4 or 5 different tabs open, as you know, sucks your memory out. So when you do this kind of thing, I highly recommend you do it when you're not doing much other stuff, that you can upload your stuff. So what's happening right now, this is basically system is analyzing the details of the email list, is verifying it, and whatever is passes the parameter of verification that we have in place, it will add it to the system is make it ready for you to send that email. While this is doing this, I want to give you another gift, guys. This is going to save you lots of hassle, uh, and also really lots of pain when you try to write a good clean email without spam words. Let's go ahead and create this email in front of you so you can utilize that tool too. So we're going to use ChatGPT, but this is not just like your average ChatGPT, guys. Your normal ChatGPT doesn't do this kind of stuff, and make sure you can also find this extension that I create, guys. Use it. It is totally free, and it's absolutely unlimited how many times you want to use. And you can use it with free ChatGPT. Your paid ChatGPT doesn't really matter. You can go and find that. The way that you get it, simply go to the Google, and especially Google extension, browser extensions, put it in AIPRM, and make account with them. They are paid too, but they also allow you to have a free account. And when you do that with your free account, then you can join it to the ChatGPT. When you do that, you're going to get access to 5,000 plus GPTs, guys. They are all designed for different kind of writing, different kind of things. Make sure that just utilize whatever your needs are, guys, in here. So you can see write article to outrank. Also the things really good tools in here because it's being built by the people that need this kind of things, specialty. So the ones that I created for me to write good clean emails, on the search in here, make sure your tab is on public, and on the search box, basically just put it in here, email, guys, something like this, and hit search. And as you see, is now reduced. We only have 117 different email related GPTs. By the way, when I created this GPT, guys, there was no GPTs anywhere else. These are the first editions, basically, of the GPTs for ChatGPT. We were doing this before anybody else in the world even realized that you could build GPTs. So AI PRM people created a platform, enabled us to kind of build this, and I was kind of like earlier on this platform, so I built one. So the one I built, I'm just going to scroll forward at a time, guys, so you can see what kind of email writing tools are in here, and I highly recommend you check this. So there is quite a lot in here, and as you can see, I'm not even halfway through, guys. There's quite a lot, and the one I created, my username in this application is NLEMU, and write the best A/B test emails. So you just select that, and basically you can prompt it if you want to. You can prompt whatever you want in here to write the email for you, whatever the niche is, whatever the product is. Basically just go ahead and write. So let's give it a try. So let's say write me cold outreach email for this, something like that, full stop. And let's just get a URL here, our website, our sales page. We just copy this and you paste it in, so, and then you hit go, and you will see this when it produces email is doesn't produce hey, we hope this message finds you well, and that kind of crap. So you'll see it basically give us two decent subject lines in here. So let's just test a little bit of this, guys. This is basically almost 98% clean emails, guys, but you still need to do just a little bit due diligence, just make sure that they are work. So the other tool that we got to use this in here is, again, is free tool. You just go to spam checker by our good friend Mail Meteors, and let's first of all let's check our subject line, see if it's clean or not. As you can see in here, guys, It says great. So this is what you need to have in your email content too. So let's get an email content. Obviously, the subject line is the most important part, guys, in here on your email, as you all know. But second most important part, obviously, your email content. So let's get this email content in here. And obviously, I'm just going to get it till here. We don't need to put back the URL in. But we just want to surface check, see what kind of spam given us and how you kind of rectify this. But remember, still AI is gonna read and read on a context of the what is next word. We'll put it in, and as you can see, is give us quite few that what I do. So most email preferable sending very few, but performance quality dies. So you can see the performance in the eye of the spam checkers on the Google whatever. They are basically kind of show you in here. So what you need to change. So you can see the whole content. Few things I have to change. My content's going to be pretty great. So performance. So and gap is where quality. The gap is where performance and qualities dies, but as you can see, let's just get rid of the performance. Gap is where quality dies, or delivery, something like that. Emails that look sent but never reach inbox. Instead of never, we're just going to speed but not. Something like this, guys. You see never, word never is in the gray, but you can change this but there is another trick that really you can do this. So the I will read perfect, and is also you can make some mistakes in here. So I'm just going to make a human mistake, but I will still see this correctly, right? That's the whole thing. This isn't a bad list problem or problems. So I'm just going to go into LEC basically, and also you will know what I'm doing in here, right? Say performance, obviously I can make 2Cs. Your eyes still see it, and also machine know this is human written now, and somebody made a grammar mistakes. All right, so I can instead of stop, I can say halt or hold, something like that. Basically, as you can see now, our email basically content is pretty great. So you can just take this now, and you go back onto the system. This is, by the way, let's just refresh. This is where we at. Within a few minutes, this is already done, as you can see, uploaded. And we go back on a channel and we go create this email. So you see, I just uploaded almost 50K, guys, within a few minutes, and now I'm ready to send this email to. But obviously I have a few active campaigns going on. I just want to show you how we build things, but sending is I will do a little bit later on today, as I have sent already email early on. So let's have a look. This here, we go to the new. And this is very, very simple and easy kind of UI that you can build emails. So first of all, we have our content, right? And we just going to do a couple of things. So we have this content. So I want to take the kind of maybe slug or maybe embedded kind of codes from this kind of tools that we are using. I'm just going to use Notepad or Notepad from Microsoft to just paste my content in here. So what this does, guys, this will basically eliminate if we have any slugs, right? So we just go back on our detail here, and also we get the subject line, and same way we paste it in the Notepad. Let's go right to the top, And of course you can readjust your content in here. Anything you don't like, anything you want to kind of straighten up, guys, it's totally up to you. You can do that and you re-edit, make sure that your email look kind of nice, give it plenty a white space within your emails, and so on and so forth, so the people who are receiving it read it and don't get upset. So this is it. Basically, we have our email. So this is our headline. Let's get our headline, which is our subject line, and we're going to paste that in here, and we go into internal name day 562 for this email, and segment the list day 562, which is the one that we just uploaded. So that's basically it for the subject line. We just hit apply, save as apply in this case, and we go to the build, and the build is like that. So there are a couple of ways that you can build emails, guys. Really, a couple of ways. One, that you can do the text like that, and the other, you can embed whole website to the email. So if you want to know how we do that kind of stuff, please watch our channel. You can see it, how we do that. So we're just going to drop this out of here, and we're going to get our email content, guys. So just copy all that. And at this point, as you can see, just copy paste majority stuff that you gotta do. So we have that, and we're going to go back on our ChatGPT here. From ChatGPT, direct copying is okay, guys, but from the spam checker, direct copying to your email is not, because the site will leave kind of some sort of embed code trackers and things like that, and you don't want to do that. But in here, I just want to change this headline here. Alright, so we are ready for this email, but before I send, as you saw my email content, guys, on the other ones, and here you can see this one I have a video embed, so I got to kind of first just add this. Let's copy that. Let's add a couple more sections in here. Let's add my image, and this time I'm just going to use my cartoonified image here. Then we're going to drag another section here, something like this, and then I'll go back and get my disclaimer. So we put our disclaimer text in here, something like this. I just want to change color of this text a little touch, guys. So I'm just going to gray it out so this doesn't stick out too much. We're going to get another section here. We go back on email. As you can see, everything in here what we got, guys, you just copy paste majority when you build in your emails. And many email providers, they don't allow you to kind of embed videos and things like that in an email, but in this case you can see we can embed video. I just want to correct some of this writing. I want to also give a little bit of like white spacing, guys, to your content, and also wanted to add a little logo image in top, and let's do that one. Something like this, and we are good. So let's go ahead, save and close this. So you just saw me upload the leads, guys. You saw me just making this email, and we're gonna save, close, and let's look our content first of all in here. This is what we made, and we're going to send this out. So we sent, and you can see this is about 39K, guys. Will take a little bit while. Let's just go ahead and send this. So you will we will leave the stream on for a while, guys. Right now it says keyframes are dropping a little bit. Please just be patient with it. That will catch up. So this is how I was able to build email list up to 10 million people, guys. You just saw me creating all this email and sending directly to that email that list we just uploaded. I hope you enjoy this content. I hope this opens your eyes to different way, and come work with us. Come let us help you guys to scale your email communication. As I promised, guys, in the description, in this video's description, there is a free tool for you to use for your live streaming, live conversation. It's totally free and it's totally anonymous, and it is something that we made for ourselves. Go ahead and utilize that for your own conversation, private conversation, you name it. Just use it whatever your life is needed for, and go ahead and utilize that and let us know how you're enjoying that. And of course, if you are serious about doing marketing or and try to generate traffic on the internet, guys, social media is dead. Really is. Only way that you're gonna get out lots of decent people, either you gotta be very famous, or you gotta spend literally lots of money, which is I'm neither famous or I neither have a lot of money, but guys, you can see in here, we have lots of people, and that's where richness is really is. So if you have ability to reach out to people, guys, guess what happens? You're going to make sales. You're going to get traction. You're going to being seen by people. Obviously, the whole idea behind this is about really intention grabbing and you being seen by mass amount of people. But in this case, you're actually being seen by people in their inbox, not in the social media. Is better trust, especially if the stuff that you're doing representing the truth and representing yourself, what you're doing, what you're capable of, what your services are. And even if you are a freelancer, if you are a publisher, if you are a writer, if you are a consultant, guys, if you are an affiliate, literally in any level of business that exists in the internet, anyone who has a domain on the internet can utilize our system. As you can see, it is built on your domain. You have 100% control, as you just saw me uploading bunch of leads, create an email and send the email out without any issues, without somebody saying, you passed the levels, oh, you gone over your things. Guys, we are fed up with all that crap. That's why we created the system to free people to reach out to the whole world. If you have the data that 10 billion people, guys, with our system, you can reach all of them. And you can see in here, right now I'm just sending about 30k. You see some of the campaigns I have sent million, some 300k, some 200k, some 50k, some 10k, guys. But generally speaking, it's up to you and how many leads you have and how many emails you want to send, guys. And it's absolute email freedom under your control, because it is built on your domain, and we are just basically your host behind the scene and helping you maintain stuff, and obviously not kind of charging you arm and a leg. Normally this kind of system will cost you $10,000 to $20,000 to just set it up, guys, even more. And as well as you need to pay lots of money for people to maintain the service for you, especially when it comes to the bulk emailing. And most emailers not going to give you dedicated IP, not going to give you dedicated SMTP. As you can see, I didn't add anything like that on the system. In here is all in one, and well as email verifier, so you can do this for yourself. So how do you get into our networks, guys? First, you need to have a good clean age domain, and when you have that, you add that domain to the Cloudflare and send us that Cloudflare login, so we can check the domain and check everything else before even you come and join us or paid to get in. And then we give you clearance, basically yes, okay to use this, no is not. According to that, we set you up basically on a good clean slate with good reputation and good IP, and so you can do this exactly what you saw on my screen. So you can see it, not even 10 minutes now, we have sent 15,000 emails out with the system. I will bring this back just a second. When almost towards the end, I just want to drag it this way to the other screen so we don't have to close the window, guys. And this is our sales page. So when you land in here, guys, we also have amazing instant affiliate commission. If you are paid customer, you automatically get approved to invite somebody else and get paid. So these are the packages that we have. So back end, what you just saw me do, guys, every package has exactly that back end. So just because you are on bronze, we didn't cut email verifier out that count. So you can see everything's still included. Your SMTP, your email verify, your dedicated IP still included on the small package, which is literally is like a peanut. $67, guys, to send 100,000 emails, but you are not limited basically how many contacts you can upload. This is just limited a little bit on sending side, but we are pretty kind of understanding. We allow you to go a little bit over and things like that, guys. Then the second page, you can see send 250,000 emails. You get 2 dedicated IPs. Once more, us as your basically team, and as well as unlimited live streams with 2 dedicated IPs. By the way, if you try to rent 2 dedicated IPs for bulk emails, you're going to pay at least probably between $200 to $300. And the other ones you see in here, the gold package, you can send up to the 1 million email a month, and is $197. But again, it's 3 dedicated IPs, guys. Go ahead and do the research yourself and go search it in the Google or wherever. Search for dedicated IPs and prices for dedicated IPs, especially IPs for bulk email handling, guys. They are very, very expensive. So we're giving you all that. So Platinum, you get 5 dedicated IPs. You can send absolutely unlimited amount of emails. Again, for $400, guys, literally you're never gonna find these prices anywhere else on the planet. If you do, come reach out to me. I will give you my house keys. So this is basically the big kind of like question that I get all the time. How you guys are able to do this? As you can see in here, guys, don't believe me. Don't trust me. Come and check it out yourself. Take this URL, put it in the Wayback Machine. See if I'm saying you to the truth or not. Put it in a Wayback Machine. Look our prices. See today's prices. And see since the day we went live to the public, which is nearly 6 years ago. So everyone else in the world of email, guys, increased their prices tenfold. But we have freezed the prices last 6 years, guys. That's the truth. That's the fact. If you find one email service company last 6 years didn't increase their prices, guys, come back. I will give you my car. You know, generally speaking, you can't find them. And only one that exists in the planet is us. The reason we're doing this, because we want pull you away from the limitations. Basically, they're limiting you, guys. They don't want you to grow. They just want to charge you lots of money, but they don't like you to scale up. They don't like you to be your own, basically, powerhouse when it comes to the email. As you can see in here, I don't need Aweber, I don't need Gmail, I don't need Hotmail, I don't need thousands of inboxes, I don't need hundreds of different frigging setups. All in one go in here, guys. And as you can see, we're just reaching out to tons of people with this kind of prices. So we don't charge for admin fees, guys. We reverse the kind of charges. You can have the system absolutely free. We pay more to you to use the system. If you invite 4 or 5 people into the system, we pay you more than you actually pay in. So currently there is no system out there that you could run it and scale it up for free, and with dedicated team of people helping you, with dedicated infrastructure that built for you on your domain. Guys, there's many places like, I don't know, Go High Level, you name it, so many different junk kind of emailers out there. To be honest, they're all nonsense crap. They put you in a pool that you can become a spammer. So you only limited to send to Gmail, to send Hotmail, to send basically those 2 3 networks, but the rest of the world's been shut down on you, and they've been lying to you guys. I just showed you amount of numbers I just uploaded. You can't do that in any other systems. You can't do mass bulk email, send 1 million email at one go in any systems out there, guys. With this, you can, and that's the reality. So we are opening whole gate of email into you guys, and it's up to you. Take advantage of it when you still can. This is the reality. This is what you can do. So go ahead and check us out and come join us, guys, in a live conversation. Use our free Meet tool as your content, and of course, comment it below this video. Say you want the leads, and I'll send you the leads, guys. Make sure that when you comment in, you follow me either on here or on LinkedIn and send me message so we can reach out to each other. And I'm not sending you to somewhere like this, all the garbage marketers out there. Sign up in here, get my free kind of this and that, guys. No, I don't need your emails per se. As you can see, I have plenty of them. I don't capture people's emails, basically in essence of just kind of to basically market crap to them. I don't do that kind of stuff, as you can see it in here, guys. I don't need capture people's emails while everybody else's data is already available on the internet. So most people's going to capture email and they're going to get the Gmail, right, which is free email, useless, right? So that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys today. But just hang on for a second, guys. We're going to bring back this window, and as you can see, guys, we are almost in the end of completing the specific campaign. In most cases, guys, before this hits the end, we already get kind of some traction happen with that email. So what that's mean is that the delivery works, and actually inbox replacements kind of doing its job, and you can see the reality in real time in front of your own eyes. If you can't really do this with your emailers, guys, come join us. Let us help you. So you can see it yourself. This is not edited. This is not AI, guys. I am real guy behind this. And please do share this stream if you think this is useful for somebody else, if it's not you. And if it's you, we look forward to kind of meeting you and helping you if you are serious, guys. So you can join us. You can obviously follow me and connect with me on LinkedIn, guys. That's the only place I'm using. I don't use any other places. Or you can basically comment on YouTube, leave some of your details, see if I can reach out to you. But please do not kind of like go crazy on the comments. So if you want a little bit of privacy, always best to just reach out to me on LinkedIn, guys. Try to connect with me, or you can basically be in one of the live rooms or live streams. Every single night we are live, and talk to me directly, and in that way you can exchange information with me, and I send you the leads, so on and so forth. So you can see the campaign's done, guys. Everything done in front of you, and zero bounces and anything like that. And lo and behold, we already have 2 clicks on a sales page before the campaign even finished, guys. So that's how powerful the system is, guys. Come join us. Let us help you to reach out to the whole world. Let us help you to control the email world, just like what you're seeing on the stream. Take care and have a great Thursday, guys, and I look forward to you seeing you in some of our other channels. And please go ahead and browse those channels, watch some of those videos. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I will be on one of the live room just next few minutes. You can come join me, guys. It's all free. Take care. Happy sending, everyone. Once more, thank you for watching.